Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeVSA. So today this video here, I'd like to share with you this JD.com from Nasdaq. That currently I think they are having a very nice volume. Okay, after some sort of like a downtrend. Okay, so first of all, let's go into look into a bigger time frame, bigger pictures. Okay, so we want to look into the weekly chart. So JD, I think they have been in the very strong uptrend after a period of accumulation. Okay, so this is basically they want to go into uptrend but fail. Okay, so subsequently they have a reversal and going into a very nice uptrend. So from here to the top, 280%. So recently they make a drop. Okay, break below trend 40 moving average, and as you can see from the downtrend line here, actually they're going into this downtrend at the moment. Okay, but overall, if you look into the chart, I don't think there is a main distribution at the bottom, and there's some similarity. Okay, from here and compared to this area over here. Okay, now a few things we can notice is that the high volume bars. Okay, so first of all, I do have this high volume bar with a spring. Okay, SP representing spring. So this is the area also we got some sort like a high volumes trying to cross the trend 40s. Successful test with NS. Okay, before a period of accumulation before they goes up. So maybe probably moving forwards. Of course now it's not so clear yet in terms of weekly chart whether they will make a successful reversal with accumulations or not. But you want to see a similar pattern like this. Okay, moving forward probably like 1 or 2 months from now. Okay, so high volume is always good to ensure there is some sort of like a buying is coming in, but a confirmation is also very important to ensure there is another reaccumulation. Okay, so potentially it might form a VCP2. So let's look into the daily, because the weekly is just to tell us and show us what is the overall trend. I think overall still in uptrend, just that short term wise is heading to downtrend. Okay, wait for them to cross 2040 with a successful test. Okay, so daily chart wise, okay, also heading to downtrend as shown in the trend lines there, but they already crossed. Okay, so hopefully we'll see some sort of like a sideway. Okay, movement from here. So volume also pretty high on the daily charts, representing there is a potential of supports coming in. Okay, so let's see how it go for JD.com. Hopefully, 1 or 2 months from now, we'll see a clearer sign. Okay, hopefully more sound strength coming in from this chart, and hopefully it will form something like here. So for us to look for a good area to look into for in accumulation. Okay, and for those that who love to do a little bit of long term, you might want to take note too. Okay, so with this, thank you. And if let's say there's any other updates, okay, I will give an update soon for this video. Okay, one thing also you want to look into for our members is that you want to trades, okay, after accumulations with Green Pentagon. Okay, so now daily chart, weekly chart, we haven't seen a clear Green Pentagons yet. Okay, so probably you want to wait for the Green Pentagon turn first.